Good morning, welcome back to my channel. This is your Lolo Groovy. It's my project for today. This is the splashes of my son's car, this Lancer 2015. This is the bottom of the car. This is the one that covered the engine. The cover got ripped off when he hit a bump. I bought this one. I'm gonna replace this. But the problem is we have like this one is broken. This one is broken too. And that part is cracked. And there's a crack in here. So I'm going to fix it with fiberglass. I'm going to show you how to do it. So sit tight and enjoy watching as I do this project for you. So this is the cover that I was talking about that got ripped off when my son hit a bump because the car was too low. So I bought a new one. This is a new one. And I'm just gonna fix everything and install this. So I'm going to use parts cleaner or degreaser before I put in the fiberglass. So after cleaning, we're going to sand all those areas that needs to be fixed. Okay, I'm just gonna finish preparing it and then I'll get back to you. So mix the fiberglass resin with the hardener and check out the instruction for mixing. So it says in here that it's for every 1 ounce is 10 drops. So that's what I did. So I'm just mixing it thoroughly. And by the way, you need to wear a mask for this one. And you need to have a good ventilation when you're doing this. So I cut out small pieces of the fiberglass or the fiber. I'm going to start with this. It's raining very hard outside. So just brush it like that until it's flattened. Then add another layer. So just press the brush against the fiber so it will release all the air bubbles inside. So that's it. Let's put another layer. You can cover the damaged areas with 3 to 4 layers of cloth to make it stronger. Now we're just gonna let it dry and we're gonna sand and paint it. After 24 hours of drying, it's now cured and already hard as a rock. And now what we're going to do is we're going to drill a hole in these two areas for the attachment of the screw. And we're gonna cut this excess so we can fit this one in. So okay, now we know where to drill. Be sure to wear gloves because this powder might irritate your skin. And now I'm going to trim the fiberglass before painting. Now we've cut it, we're gonna sand it and paint. The paint already dried up, so I'm just going to put all this attachment, and I'm gonna assemble it. So there you are, good as new. So everything is fixed, the hard part is done. All I need to do is to install this under the vehicle. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like the video. And please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to push the notification bell so I can see you on all of my new videos. Thank you so much again, and God bless everybody. Have a good day.